Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day on this channel, you're very welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. I do appreciate you coming back all the time to support this channel. So today I'll be making this good looking Nigeria soup, native soup. So guys, I hope you stay tuned to the end to see how I made this mouth-watering delicious soup. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, okay? So guys, we'll go ahead and jump right into this soup, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Yes. All right guys, let's start cooking. Right here I have my the meat that I'll be using for this soup today. So I'm using combination of all sorts of meat that I have available. I have the cow tripe, which is the intestines. So they also call roundabout. So I'm using that, and I'm also using some chicken, and I have some stockfish as well. And these are some of the chicken. As you can use whatever kind of meat you want. Then I also have cow meat. So I have some cow meat as well. So like I said, it doesn't have to be what I'm using. You can use any kind of meat you have available, including turkey, mackerel, stockfish, whatever kind of meat you have. Just go ahead and use it. Just steam that up, add any spice, salt, pepper, whatever you need to add. Go ahead and season your meat, and when you're done, I went ahead and add some palm oil. So when I add palm oil, I cover the pot and let it cook for like 2 minutes, a minute to 2 minutes. Once the soup comes to the boiling point, look at that, looking so nice. So I'll be adding my naan cube. So the naan cube has 2 inside, but I'll be using just 1 out of the 2. So I went ahead and covered the remaining 1, wrap it up and put it aside for next time. And I will be adding 1 star. This is Niger pot. So I'm having a hard time focusing that thing. The thing doesn't want to focus, so let's just not worry about that. So I went ahead and put that in, and I have my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm putting scotch bonnet pepper, 2 scotch bonnet pepper that I chopped up. The next is my crayfish. So I'm adding some crayfish. So this is about 4 to 5 tablespoons of crayfish. You can add your crayfish based on the quantity of the soup you're making. You can add a little, or you can add more depending on the quantity. And here comes my ogiri. I cannot make a native soup without ogiri. That native soup is not complete now. It's lacking a lot, big time. So I have to like have ogiri in my native soup. That's for sure, sure thing. You know, if you know what I'm talking about, you will understand. You need some ogiri for the native soup. So the next one, I'm adding my catfish, that are smoked catfish that I already washed and deboned. I took off whatever bone that I don't need, and I left the rest. So I put that in and turn my soup around properly. And for my thickener for today, I'm using quaker oat. That's quick oat, or you can also call it oatmeal. So that's what I'm using for my thickener for today. So it's just dripping everywhere. So you can use whatever thickener you have available. If you have the cocoyam, the homemade cocoyam or flour cocoyam, any kind of thickener that you have been using or you want to use, just feel free to use that. So I added mine, and I rinsed the bottle, and I poured the remaining water in as well. So just go ahead and give that a good stir. Turn my soup. After that, I went ahead and add some salt. So you can add some salt to your taste. I added some salt when I was cooking the meat. So that's why I'm adding a little bit right now. So, but if I need more later, I can still add some. But right now, I think that should be enough. You don't want to over salt your soup. That's the worst thing that will happen to your soup. So I went ahead and covered that up. So after 5 minutes, look at that. It's so bubbly. Can you see that? If you look at the color of the soup, isn't that amazing? Isn't that delicious? So just go ahead and turn that around. This is looking so good. So I just have to give it a taste to make sure that everything I need is accurate. So I tasted the first one, it was so good. I tasted the second one and I went ahead the third time. So I couldn't stop tasting this. It tastes so good. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys can taste this just like I'm tasting it right now. So it was so great that I couldn't stop tasting the soup. So guys, I will be adding some roughly chopped spinach. So this is fresh spinach, so roughly chopped. You can add that. If you want to use any other kind of vegetable of your choice, like okase, bitter leaf, water leaf, any kind of vegetable you have available that you want to use, just go ahead and add that up. You know, if you have the main oha leaf, oh my gosh, go ahead and use oha leaf on this soup. That will bring this soup to the next level. I said level. So the oha will bring this soup to the next level if you have it, but if you don't have it, just go ahead and use the spinach that I'm using. And at this point, I'll go ahead and cover my pot and let it cook for just 30 seconds. You don't want to overcook this fresh spinach. So after 30 seconds, I'm back. Just give my soup a very good stir again. Look at that. The vegetables are still looking very fresh, but it's ready. It's very ready. So at this time, I will go ahead and turn my stove off. Yeah, just go ahead and turn the stove off. We are done. And I'll put my soup out to the other cool surface, and I'll start making my swallow that will go with this delicious soup. Yes. And after you taste your soup and you feel like you have more, you need to add more crayfish or you need to add more pepper, salt, feel free to do that. But mine was perfect. I didn't need to add any other stuff. So, and here's my swallow. I'm done making my swallow. So it's time for us to go ahead and dish this soup out. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, my body is already shaking right now. Alright guys, it's time to dish out the soup and the fufu. So I got some fufu for myself. And look at that soup. I put it at the counter, so because I don't want it to get more hot, because the more it's on the hot surface or on the hot surface area, it keep cooking. So just take a look at that soup. Can't you see that? Did you see that? Just take a look. This soup is just calling my name to come. So guys, this was a very nice, delicious soup that I just made. Tastes so amazing. Look at that chicken. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you did, because I had fun making this recipe and the soup turned out to be superb, like real superb. Look at that soup. It kind of looks very loose, like watery, but believe me, when you're making a native soup, I already washed my hand guys. So when you're making a native soup, it's very light when it's still very hot, but when it cools down, yes, when it cools down, it thickens up very fast. So if you're making your soup, your native soup, don't worry about it if it's light at the beginning, because it's gonna get cold, and when it gets cold, it's solidified. So you don't want it to be too solid when it gets cold. So guys, I'll go ahead and enjoy my dinner. It's dinner time. So it's pretty late right now. It should be around 8 p.m. So I'm making a late dinner today, guys. So that tastes so yum. The soup was so yummy. It turned out to be so perfect. So I'll go ahead and relax and have my dinner. Look at the roundabout. The cow is tested. Look at that. So I'll go ahead and enjoy myself. Just find a comfortable spot and sit down and enjoy my soup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. And if you're a new subscriber, or if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Maybe I want paper, please.
So my son was actually asking me, why is the pot black? I think somebody should help me and explain to him why pot is black. Oh goodness. So he brought his plate for me to add his own food for him as well.
Why is this black?
Well, it's pot, so. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's recipe. I hope you guys had fun spending your time with me in the kitchen, because I did had a lot of fun making this soup. So guys, I'll see you guys next time on my next video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up guys. I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day and thank you for your support. I will see you next time. Bye bye for now. Bye.